What's going on, eaters and feeders? My name is Casey, and on my channel, I discuss business tips and tricks, startup hacks, entrepreneurial mindset, and so much more based on my experience starting and growing Florida's highest rated meal prep company from nothing. So if you want to learn more about marketing, production, purchasing, sales, software, leadership, mindset, meditation, and everything in between, I invite you to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications so you don't miss out on any of my content. I produce videos weekly, I go live sporadically, and I don't want you missing out on any of it. If you've got an idea for an episode, let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, you're also going to want to make sure you check out the links in the show notes. Those links will give you access to so many more resources than I can fit into a YouTube video. I've got free calculators that teach you how to find all sorts of stuff that you can't see in your business. I've got free software that will completely run your business. I've got free ebooks. I've got free boot camps. I've got one-on-one consulting. I've got private groups. I've got so much stuff, and you will only find it if you check out those links in the show notes and if you venture on over to mealprepbiz101.com. That's my site where I host so many more tips, tools, resources, and great stuff that will make your life easier and make your business more successful. So check out those links and check out mealprepbiz101.com. Now let's check out today's episode.
Welcome to our channel where we go behind the scenes for meal plan company Fit Food Fresh and other local businesses across South Florida. Make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts so you never miss a video, and hit us with any questions or suggestions.
This is a special type of episode. They're essentially short little clips from longer episodes, interviews, or consultations that focus on a specific term, topic, or concept, densely packed with value and information that you can immediately learn from and implement in your business's operations. If it's a clip from a longer episode that you'd like to see in its entirety, I invite you to head on over to my YouTube channel where you can see the full-length episode and the context in which this topic was discussed. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with yours truly, I invite you to head on over to mealprepbiz101.com. Find my store. You'll be able to purchase and book a one-on-one consultation so that you and I can dive into your specific issues, ideas, and problems and see what we can come up with as far as solutions, information, and better arming you to move forward with your business operations. Are you going to deliver in boxes or in bags? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking about it still because I'm trying to do what the other companies does, right? That's why I order from them. So some of them are in bags, but today's delivery was in actually plastic bag. So we just got to see what's more efficient for us, what's work for us. We haven't decided yet.
I like, we use cooler bags. I've argued with my business partner. He gets frustrated with the cooler bags and he wants to just do boxes. But when you do boxes, it's a one-time, or it's an expense every single time. So you're buying a new box every delivery. There's normally insulation and the cold element. So those are three expenses that you're going to have to put out every single time. Yeah, like
right.
These guys.
Like these boxes.
Exactly. So
right.
If you guys are doing it locally and you're handling it yourself, you
right.
could get away with doing a cooler bag that you collect next time. You get them on a subscription. So next time when they drop off a bag full of ingredients, they're able to take it back and you're able to get your ice packs back and you're able to get your bag back, which cuts down on your expenses. And I'm sure in the next few years, we're going to see people more environmentally conscious, and they're going to be looking at all these one-time use materials, and they're going to start liking companies that give them some kind of an offer to get the containers back or the bags back so they're not throwing it away. So that's one advantage that you have. Once you go nationwide, then you'll have to, go with the boxes because, UPS or whoever the postal service is, they're not going to be doing bags, you won't be getting them back either.
Do you guys use UPS?
No, we just have our local guys right now. Okay. We just deliver. So it's all our courier or all of our drivers, and they're just in-house guys, and we deliver Mondays and Thursdays. So when they drop off a bag Monday, they come and pick it up Thursday, and you just leave it on your doorstep and they just switch it out with the bag of food.
Okay. Did you guys have any challenge with picking up the bags or?
Sometimes it just takes the person, getting used to it. Some people are fine with it. Some people, you just have to either, like, we give them a few options. They can opt to have a reminder text sent to them. So on Wednesday, we'll say, hey, don't forget to put out your bags in ice packs. You got a delicious new bag of food, coming tonight. And then we threaten them with a delivery fee, or I'm sorry, we've threatened them with a bag fee if they don't return it. But
okay.
we don't really charge it because it's just going to tick people off. So we try to be really lenient.
Yeah.
And it's more of a threat to give them a reason to do it. We've had some people who don't understand and they end up throwing away 20 bags. And I've had my own friends who just keep them in a closet. And it's just like, dude, we haven't collected a bag from you in months. What's going on? It's like, yeah, man, it's in my closet. It's like, leave it off my guy. But for the most part, people are pretty good. Once you explain that to them, they're pretty good about leaving them out, and that way you're able to get your material back.
Think about that. I'm going to talk about it. That's the reason I'm talking to you today, just to have see how people do stuff and ideas and stuff like that.
Get an idea of the problems you'll have when it gets bigger, because it'll be, the business will work a certain way at this many clients, and then when it doubles, certain things that weren't an issue when you're smaller become an issue.
That could be an issue, right? Absolutely, I agree.
So how about the box? The box. Sorry, where did you find the box? So there's a company deal with Europe.
We use for our cooler bags, we use a company called Bag Makers, and I think their website is bagmakersinc.com. And I can actually get you special rates through them, because we're set up as a distributor.
Okay.
But the bags, if you want to look at the bags that they use and get the dimensions, they're called the Thermo Tote and the Thermo Super Tote. The Thermo Super Tote is a little bit bigger, so it accommodates more materials. But they're generally, I think they're like 15 inches by 13 inches by 10 inches wide or something like that. But you'll be able to see, and they're thin but insulated. And like I said, for your purposes, since you guys are doing raw material and just a basic ice pack, we just use some ice packs. We put in a certain amount of ice packs per meals. So you guys, the fact that you're further north than us and that you're using raw ingredients, it'll be more than adequate for your purposes. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Again, I want to stress that you need to be subscribed to both the YouTube and the podcast. So make sure you're doing that so you get the most out of the content that I'm producing. You're also going to want to make sure that you're checking out those show notes. They're going to have links to more resources, freebies, goodies, all sorts of fun stuff like that. And of course, mealprepbiz101.com. Until my next episode, I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.